Hello YouTube. This is DMV Elevators. Today we're gonna do a full hotel tour of the Hyatt Regency in Tysons Corner in Tysons, Virginia. So as soon as you come in through those double set of doors. There's your first floor ballroom of escalators, and there's your escalators that are made by Otis. There's like your valet help desk. And the restrooms are closed here. Those are the ballrooms and stuff. Coat check. And now we're gonna these are the parking elevators, the shuttle elevators that go up to 4. 3 is the main lobby. Going up to 4. Here we're on 4.
Going down.
Is there a view out here? There's a view. So over there you can see the parking garage. This is a 7-story parking garage. We're gonna go check out the lobby. Actually, we're gonna. Actually, I thought.
Going down.
Going down to 3.
Third floor.
So coming out here, there goes that one. So these are the shuttle elevators that go to 1 through 4, and these are the elevators that go to 3 to 17. The main elevators. Over there, this is your Bush and Barrel. No, Barrel and Bush. And here we are at the lobby. So there's the restrooms here. There's your restrooms. It has an ATM. There's a set of escalators by Otis as well. There's the entry coming in. This also close to the mall, Tysons, and that's the concierge lobby check-in. And over there is where the Tysons Corner Mall is. And now we're gonna take a ride up on the going up to 17. We're gonna ride the main elevators. And yes, main elevators that go to 3 to 17. And it's music playing in the background, so I don't want no copyright at all. No copyrights at all. Going up to, there's this elevator. We're gonna go up to the top.
Floor.
Let's get a view.
Going down.
All right, so here is the parking. You see the mall over there. There's also the highway. Over there, there's another office building that's a high-rise. So this is Tysons Corner Center Mall. You can see that. And there's also parking up here. All right, we're gonna go down. And we're gonna take a round trip.
Going down.
Gives us a sense of cabin. These are beautiful elevators. These are your fixtures. Security cameras up there.
Third floor.
All right, and our room's up on 14. You can hear the motors on the other elevators. Here we are on the 14th floor.
Going down.
There goes. All right. So we're gonna go to our room. So our room is on the 14th floor here. So let's go ahead and do a full room tour. So with that being said, we're gonna do a hotel tour in a separate video. So that's it.